Welcome back to the channel. I'm Dr. Stephanie Koempel, and today we're going to dive into a powerful yet often overlooked way to manifest money through joy. Now, joy isn't just a feeling, it's a magnetic force that can help you attract abundance into your life. So if you've been wondering how to bring more money into your life, let's talk about how embracing joy can completely transform your financial reality. Let's get one thing straight. Money is energy. Money flows to people who are energetically aligned with it. And guess what? One of the most powerful ways to raise your energetic vibration is through joy. You know that feeling you get when you're doing something you absolutely love, when you're in flow and everything just feels easy. That's the energy we're talking about. When you are joyful, you radiate positive energy, and the universe responds to that with more abundance. So when you're in a state of joy, you align with the vibration of abundance. Money doesn't come from stress or struggle. It comes when you are in a state of ease, happiness, and love. And know what the best part is? You don't need to wait for external circumstances to be perfect in order to feel joy. You can choose joy right now. And that decision is a game changer when it comes to manifesting money. So how can you tap into joy in your daily life to start manifesting money? Here are a few simple ways. Find small moments of happiness. Take a moment each day to notice something that brings you joy, whether it's a cup of coffee, a walk outside, or a conversation with a friend. The more you practice focusing on these small joys, the more you attract that positive energy into your life. Do what you love. When you engage in activities that light you up, you not only boost your mood, but also raise your vibrational frequency. Whether it's dancing, painting, singing, or just having fun, do what brings you joy and notice how it shifts your energy. Surround yourself with positivity. This could mean spending time with positive people, watching uplifting content, or even decorating your space to reflect joy and abundance. Surround yourself with things that make you feel good. And also practice gratitude. Gratitude is a joy multiplier. When you actively express gratitude for what you already have, you invite even more blessings into your life. So start each day by thinking about what you're grateful for. It shifts your mindset and aligns you with the energy of abundance. So if you've been struggling with the flow of money, I want you to ask yourself, how can I invite more joy into my life today? The answer might not be complicated. Maybe it's taking a break, laughing with a friend, or doing something that makes you feel alive. So please start there and watch how the universe responds. And here's the thing, manifesting money through joy, it isn't a one-time thing. It's about making joy a daily practice. So when you prioritize joy, you begin to see the world through the lens of possibility and abundance. And trust me, the more you practice joy, the more money will start flowing to you because you're aligning with the energy of wealth. And as you continue to choose joy, you'll notice how the universe begins to send you opportunities that match your energy. Joy opens the door for all kinds of abundance to flow into your life. So to wrap up, the key to manifesting money through joy is simple. Prioritize what makes you feel good. Embrace positivity and let go of any resistance you might have towards wealth. When you are in a state of joy, you automatically become a magnet for abundance. And remember, it's not about chasing money. It's about becoming the energy of abundance by being happy, grateful, and open to receiving. So if you enjoyed this video and feel inspired to start manifesting money through joy, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share this with anyone who could use a little more joy in their life. So thanks for watching. Stay magical and may the wealth flow to you.